mad Politricks watch. This is Sir P. I go step on some can. I could start off with the whole Donald Trump frenzy and America frenzy. Both in a real life, as in people I know, and online, whether it's somebody from the PIE or the Patreon squad, or even just somebody who just passed through every now and then. But time people link me and say, look you through by your seat. Shit, you know, America done, America crash and burn. From me eye that me need me a wait for see. This crash and burn with them say, America go face. With 100% surety, I can assure you this too will pass. The day America really gets sink done for, will be the day you know got no more internet and anything there, because it is going to be some kind of catastrophic natural event or some massive world war or something like that. All this whole heap of stock market, this and stock market that link back in 6 months. I'll be right here if you tell you say. It was all hyperbolic excitement. We've seen this before. But nevertheless, I can't help but notice that many Jamaicans who are saying the end is near, and I talk about Jamaicans who live in America now. Many Jamaicans who are saying the end is near, and I said Donald Trump is the second coming of the devil, and I must say America is finished. I hear them say everything, but you know what I have not heard a single Jamaican say? They might give up on America and go back on the yard. It has to be studied. The reason why I'm talking about this is because I've said it many times. Jamaicans who say them done with Jamaica forever, cause Jamaica broke and hungry and the crime and all, them can't deal with the government and them the PNP and the JLP, and them can't deal with the roads, and them can't deal with the this, and them can't deal with that. So that's why them really turn them back on them country forever. Telling earlier, so these are Irish Saxon coons who are looking for reasons to feel better about the fact that they're Irish Saxon coons. Jamaica have a whole heap of issues. Jamaica have a whole heap of problems. But the way these Irish Saxons talk, I think the place them are going on. When they go to these places and they buck up in their problems, they don't turn them back on these places. And by turn back, understand what I mean. Turn back or turn your back on your country is somebody who done with Jamaica forever. They've now accepted some new land as their home and some new people as their people. And they sit in foreign lands salivating when time them hear say things go bad the Arab man, because it make them feel better about the decision they made. Make them feel better about themselves. I'm not talking about people who left Ireland to go work and get one job and send back money and all them things. I'm not talking about them people. I'm not talking about the Irish Saxon crew. The guy who tell us Jamaica, in doing Jamaica forever. That the person there. That the dopey back they sit down in foreign and take treatment worse than the backer used to give man back in the day. And him suck it up and smile. No matter what I'm to him in a foreign, him say, well, that's one of them things. Well, you know, nobody's perfect. Well, you know, nowhere is perfect. Well, we have to understand. We need to give them time. This is all them talk about. The place them where they go. No matter what I'm to them. And they complain, but they'll never turn them back on them place there. But when they complain about Jamaica, they turn them back on it. So I'm hearing all kind of Jamaicans saying, see, they from Trump take over the place, we can play spooky and the devil, and I tell you, the man that the devil and the evil. Alright, cut left him and tell him if you go suck him, mama, and go back to your yard. You not do that. You not do that. Are you? You go work with it. Let's be honest. Despite all the here Jamaicans that talk about American Trump and Trump and American Trump and Trump, if somebody give them one visa, one plane ticket tomorrow, them dead upon them ears temple. The same Jamaican they tell us say America is this and Trump is that. You say, alright, I know, say, me get one link for a cheap ticket, they can go back to Jamaica and help build something at Jamaica. No, dog, you're mad. No depend on that. You say, alright, bro, so my money I make in America, send somebody go back to Jamaica. You're mad. Jamaica can't say $1 of my dollar, not even $1 of my dollar go back to Jamaica. I never say nothing go there so. So Jamaica now see him in person and Jamaica now see money. Him tell us America is hell and America is Babylon, but him very comfortable in Babylon though. You say, alright bro, you ready? Alright. Make your money and fine, but build something in Jamaica. You're mad, man, I'll build nothing there. Them the dirty people, eh? You're mad? Then the dirty nigga there, you must be mad. Then he go in a 1 hour speech about how vile Trump is. And it's alright, left Trump place. He tell you say you must be mad, because okay, mama. Because Negroes love to complain. And when offered with solutions, they don't act. You are not an American-born citizen. You are an Iranian. Matter of fact, some of you are Irish Saxons, which is the vile version of an Iranian. Let me tell you something, I'll crush some content. See, what bothers me about Irish Saxons is the fact that they give Jamaica no benefit of the doubt, no room, nothing. They're very rigid. This now work good. See you later, Jamaica. Suck your mama. Can't see me again. When him go foreign and him see something now work good, he becomes so understanding. To give it time. Maybe them are gonna figure it out. He doesn't say the same thing about Jamaica. He doesn't say maybe Jamaica gonna figure it out. Jamaica gets no room for error. You see, how you know you're a dopey bot Irish Saxon versus an Iranian is dopey bot Irish Saxons, when them they are foreign, whether it's Cayman, US, Canada, UK, Germany, wherever them they. The dopey bot Irish Saxon, when him hear something get worse in a Jamaica, he is pleased. Because it gives him further ammunition when him can lap him tail with him white daddy and Gwyneth and tell them say that is why Jamaica can't ever see him again. He's happy. When he may say crime get out of hand, when he may say the whole of St. Andrew South burn down flat, when he may let him smile. The difference is the Iranian and the Iranian, them heart is still in Jamaica. Them physical body might they are foreign, but them heart and them soul still the Jamaica. And ultimately, they want this Jamaica a better place. So that they can go back to their yard. So when time them hear say things that get better at Jamaica, them start rub them on. Them start skin off them 96 teeth. Them start wonder, is this the day? Is the day approaching? Should I start to make preparations? This is why you have to make the difference between Irish Saxons and Iranians. The Iranian, deep in him heart, know say him only go foreign because him want make sure some people in my yard good, so him kiss him teeth and make certain sacrifice and bear cool and bear dopey bat Billy Joe because he's thinking about the long term. And one day, I'm sorry, I'm not even watching my face now. If me have to sweep road a foreign, then I saw it go. If me have to do this and if me have to wash toilet, then so be the case. But me I think about 20 years, all this I go work when time I go back to Ireland. Or when time I send back this and the people them can go here and this get done and mama take this and that's what the Iranian is thinking. Me tell you already, guy, if opportunity present itself where you can go somewhere and earn some money or get some qualifications or do something where you can better yourself, right? Whether in America, Canada, Germany, France, UK, do it, guy. Do it so long as you remember who you are. And remember where you come from. And remember where your loyalties should lie. So when people tell me say Trump are the devil and America done and America go to hell right now, the next question I ask them, well, you know, bro, nothing really stop if I go back to your country still now. Man, say you're mad. So the question I want to know is, since so much people have so much problem with America and Trump and all them things, why America get the most visa bookings? More people go for US visa than any other visa. More Jamaicans want to go to America than any other country. The Jamaicans to the America, right, would rather dead than go back to Jamaica. The same people may tell about America this and Trump this. If them get locked up on cargo ice right now, them start melt and leak for stay in America. Get it? Get locked up in the ice, start melt and leak for stay in America. Jamaicans go as far as to start are fake sprat relationships. We stay in our countries where them complain about every day. It makes no sense. I've heard the disturbing reports. Man in a country like Canada, man in a country like UK and them place, you know those sprat friendly countries. Man to say man get deep and start build fake sprat relationship. Get one next man for go down a detention center for him, be a hugging and kissing for sure say man sprat. And if you go back to Jamaica, you might go dead because this is the narrative them tell people. You know. So as you come off of the plane and you sprat, then Jamaicans are going to run it down and kill you. Man in the detention center, with picture side of him, with him and him man.
Brother, what's that? What's that, brother?
Be a kissing a go on for try to convince immigration guys. You see, if me go back to Jamaica, may I get hurt. These are the lengths Irish Saxons will go to stay in a foreign land. The same foreign lands they complain about. They will fight tooth and nail. They will do anything for the privilege, quote unquote privilege, for living in a Billy Joe land. But if must do anything in a Jamaica or require any effort in kissing teeth and saying done with it forever. These people are vile. Sprat guy. Nobody go back to Ireland. Jamaica don't need them type of people. I tell you already say for Jamaica to truly progress, what I don't want to happen is for Jamaica to get completely, because you already see it. Mr. Chin and Mr. Hung and Bogdanovich and whoever, no business about crime. Right? They might go Jamaica, they might go invest and they go build. Then a business about no crime. What I don't want to happen is Jamaicans who live around the world who have the means they can compete and do them own thing and set up them own thing. If you sit on a foreign and watch other guy, right, completely dominate, right, the business land space in the Ireland. So some of them Jamaican, they have all kind of skills and whatever them get. At some point, have to go touch back in the Ireland. Ireland need some of that knowledge. Not for the brain drain with the happening in Ireland need to get reversed. But rest assured, there is an entire subset of dopey but Irish Saxons who need to stay with them there. Right, the people them who we tell you about before, who salivate and have orgasm when they make Jamaica burn, them can stay with them then. The dopey bat them, who in a detention center, a suck out man tongue in front of Billy Joe to convince man say my sprat, say nah, to go back to him country. Any man willing to go to those lengths is the type of man Jamaica does not need. Jamaica don't need those men. The Jamaican women definitely don't need those men. They shouldn't even be reproducing with those men. Those men are vile. No place, there is no condition Jamaica can in. For me, if you sit down in no detention center and go to some of the lengths that me here who not go to, if you not go back to my country. If me have to name ton cornmeal and dirt for the rest of my life, so be it. You Irish Saxons are vile. Right? We are here about in the ice. We will not go out in the detention center. Anything for you go back around the country. I'm telling you already, guy. If you're some kind of only people me give a pass. The only people who can say them done with Jamaica for good, Jamaica can't see them back. As somebody who left Jamaica or have to leave Jamaica because of some high level security reasons. Right? If you're some kind of star witness on a case or you did bring down one gang or you did expose on politics and you take for yourself, guy, forget about Jamaica. You have to go make one new life somewhere else. Forget about it. Unless you can change your whole face with plastic surgery and sneaking back in the country. I don't know. But apart from that, forget it, guy. But the rest of you vile Irish Saxons who sit down on a lap frog tail with Billy Joe and I go on like say Jamaica is Yemen or war-torn Somalia back in the day. Guy, enough for you. Have to go down. Let me tell you something, guy. You can suck up to your white daddy all you want. If push come to shove and battle lines are drawn, you'll still get where the duck get. So remember who you are, remember where you come from, ducky bat. You're always free to go back to your country. This one if acting like you're a prisoner in a foreign land. There's nobody holding you in no foreign land. Jamaica living in some godforsaken place like Philly, and they talk about him done in Jamaica as a crime. And living in Philly. Man living in Memphis. Man living in New Orleans. Man living in Baltimore talk about, yo, Jamaica can't see me back because me done with crime. And the actual Yankee them who live in them place, they tell you say them place that hell upon earth. A BS switch. Man a drop like fly. Some of the cities them in America have a higher murder rate than Jamaica. These are facts. And that don't deter them. They don't care how much man get shot. They don't care if who of them pitney dead now on school shooting. They will never turn them back on America. But every chance they can get here, that's why me done in Jamaica, dog. That's why me done in Dirty Nigga. You people are vile. Someone of you stay around there. Remember, sir, we say nomadic lifestyle, you know. And we say travel all boat and gone all boat. There are enough countries me like. Enough things me like about enough countries. But I have only one loyalty at the end of the day. And if push come to shove, me know me I go back. People are vile in a detention center. Have man brace up back of your boat. Oh, we're a couple and I'm scared if I go back, me I go dead. Donald Trump is the president because he was elected. That means that the American people spoke. That means that the American people made their choice. That means that the American people is in line with what Trump in for. So why you wander around the American people who elected him? He didn't elect himself. But deep down you know, you don't care if the devil himself is the president of the United States. You don't. You don't care if the devil himself around Cayman, if the devil himself around England, the devil himself around Canada. You don't care. You're just glad to not be in Jamaica. That's just the truth, guy. I'm not here to make friends. I've gone to all the big countries them. See enough of the charge of them. Man, bag on the eye. Look like him a dead for hungry. Brother, you wanna go back to your yard? No dog, you mad? People can laugh off of me. Alright, sit down there and dead a foreign then. That's the truth, guy. Me telling you years ago, you have a Jamaican a foreign, nothing not going for them. Them just die foreign. Go back and listen to old videos them about 3-4 years ago. Me telling you say most Jamaicans are foreign, nothing not going for them. They just die foreign. Enough of them are living a worse standard of life of foreign, right, than in Jamaica. Right, the place that them living in Jamaica had more room and more space than where they live in a foreign. These are facts. Enough time a man that foreign and he be beg him something and him say he can't find it, you probably think say him a lie to you. He probably can't find it because he probably broke and hungry. He probably live like one dog. When him done pay him 500 taxes then he not nothing left for himself. But he not left foreign. But and he tell Jamaica to go suck it more. He not gonna away. It has to be studied. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more live. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.